I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am
non-resident
here.
alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no, ma'am.
We've got a really crazy one today. A sovereign citizen gets completely shut down by this no-nonsense judge during a court hearing for driving without insurance. Like seriously, you cannot make this stuff up, and this woman is acting like the law just doesn't exist and insisting it doesn't apply to her because she claims she isn't a citizen. This sovereign citizen Karen tries to argue her way through the hearing, but she just ends up making a total fool of herself while the judge shuts her down at every turn. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's dive in.
For the record, please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Who does this Karen even think she is? Seriously, she's trying to get the entire case thrown out because she claims she's some kind of foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. How does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're literally agreeing to follow the law, plain and simple, and that includes having insurance. It's called implied consent, and no amount of made-up legal arguments is going to change that. What do you guys think though? Should we get rid of all these sovereign citizens, or do they actually have a point? Let's dive back in.
At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a CAPIAS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
Things are about to get even more heated than the last hearing as this Karen completely loses it while the judge breaks down each of her arguments one by one, and I honestly don't understand how she thinks buying car insurance is some impossible task when it's clearly not a secret government plot but simply something meant to protect everyone on the road. So the judge is about to lay out some facts and she is definitely about to get fired up, and this Karen just keeps digging herself into an even deeper hole here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, but for now let's dive into the next hearing and see how everything plays out.
Have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be CAPIAS at this point in time.
Okay, so that all
do you have the
name
opportunity
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Viera Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Viera Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be CAPIAS today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney in fact. Listen.
Every time a sovereign citizen uses the phrase attorney of fact, it honestly makes no sense because they act like it's some kind of magic words that will somehow win their case, but that's just not how the legal system works. And if this woman really wants to represent herself or act as some sort of nameless entity in court, she would need a P number like an actual licensed attorney, since you can't just create your own rules in a courtroom, and it's wild how completely out of touch these sovereign citizens are.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case. I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Viera Sherelle Williams. Are you present, ma'am? John Viera Williams. Are you present twice? John Viera Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Viera Williams, the agent.
Okay.
So John Viera Williams is not present. Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a CAPIAS put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Viera Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Viera Sherelle Williams is CAPIAS until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Let me know whose side you're on in this court hearing, the sovereign citizen or the common sense side, because personally I'm completely on board with how this judge handled everything, staying calm, laying out the law, and refusing to let any of that nonsense slide, which is exactly how it should go, since sometimes you see judges who practically give in to sovereign citizens and that never helps, and it's usually better to just ignore their antics and move them out of the courtroom. But what? Do you guys think, did the judge handle this perfectly, or should she have come down even harder? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you all for watching and take care.